Today everyone, we are group 4. My name is Jan Albert Megting.
My name is Marvin Armonte.
And my name is Jo Marimucha.
And my name is Christian N. Lunar.
We are going to report Rizal's birth. Si Protasio Rizal Mercado E. Alonso Rilanda was born on June 19, 1861 to Francisco Rizal Mercado and Chudora Alonso Riolanda E. Quintos in the town of Calamba in Laguna Province. Ayan po, sabi dito, si Jose Rizal ay pinanganak noong June 19, 1861 sa Calamba in Laguna. Sa left side po ay mapapansin nyo na may tao. Pamilyar naman po tayo na siya si Jose Rizal. At sa kanang bahagi naman po ay kung saan siya pinanganak. Marie Josephine Leopoldine Bracken gave birth to Jose Rizal. Ayan po, yan pong nasa picture ay yan po yung mama ni Jose Rizal. December 30.
He was baptized on June 22, 1861 by Father Rufino Colantes. So yun daw nagbinyag daw kay Rizal ay si Father Rufino Colantes noong June 22, 1861. Padre Pedro Casanas was his baptismal godfather. Nung bininyagan daw si Rizal ay ang naging ninong niya ay si Padre Pedro Casanas.
Padre Pedro Casanas was his baptismal godfather. He studied at the University of Santo Tomas and enrolled in the medicine course so that he could help his sick mother. He also completed and passed surveyor course exam at the Ateneo. Siya daw po ay nag-aral sa University ng Santo Tomas at nag-enroll at kumuha ng kursong medisina para matulungan ang kanyang ina na may sakit. Nakapagtapos siya at nakapasa sa exam sa Ateneo.
On December 30, 1896, Jose Rizal was shot in Bagong Bayan at 7:03 in the morning. He is asked to be shot in the front, but he was not allowed. Si Rizal po ay namatay noong taong 1896. Ito po ay namatay dun sa Bagong Bayan. Ngayon po ay tinatawag na now Luneta Park.